Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today's section we are going to see frequency of each character in a string. First we have to get the input like this, welcome and the output should be like this. How to print the character along with the frequency. This problem can be altered into various problems like this. Print the string without duplicates. How to print the string without the duplicates. If we take the example jigs, how to print without duplicates. E should be repeated one time. And we can find the singlets and it can be altered to duplicates and triplets, etc. Now we are going to solve this problem using Java. Public class and public static void main. Then we have to create an object for scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. Then we have to get the string. First I'm giving a printing statement, system dot out dot println enter. I'm going to get the string str equal to s dot next. Yes, after that I'm going to declare char d use for loop using I int I equal to 0, I less than str dot len I plus plus. I'm going to replace the character which is checked with a @ symbol, so that I have to ignore that @ symbol. str dot character of I is not equal to @. Then it should be entered into the loop. D equal to str character of I. Declare a count variable here, count equal to 0, and use another for loop for comparison. This is for comparing the character. Int j equal to 0, j less than str len of I loop is for selecting the element and j is for comparing. If d, that is the character, is equal to str character of j, then we have to increment the count. Count plus plus. After this we have to replace that element. Str equal to str dot replace. Str dot replace, we have to replace d with a symbol, @ symbol. After this we have to check for the count. If count is not equal to 0, then we have to print system dot out dot print we have to print the character. After that we have to print the count. After that we have to leave some space. Yes, we have completed the program. I'm going to run the program. Yes, we have to enter welcome. Yes, we have got the output. I previously told that it can be changed to these many programs. Now we are going to do this one without duplicates. Print the string without duplicates. For that, I'm going to remove this count and I'm going to print only the characters. Now I'm going to run. How to print the string without duplicates? I'm giving jigs. Yes, we have got the output without duplicates. Now I'm going to alter it for singlets equal to 1. When the count is equal to 1, it should be printed. I'm going to give jigs. Yes, without singlets. Singlets are printed. Now increment the count to 2. Now the program for duplicates. Jigs. Yes, the duplicate is printed. Likewise, we can convert it to triplets and nlets. Everything we can do it. I'm giving jigs with a triple E. Yes, we have got the output. When one value is checked, it should be replaced by a symbol at. After the value comes, it should not be taken. When at comes, it should not be taken. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, post me the comment. Thank you.
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.